and today our topic is about the taxes and the expenses of the properties in Turkey. Hello, this is Abdulhai from Property TR Real Estate Company in Istanbul, and today our topic is about the taxes and the expenses of the properties in Turkey. So let's talk about the title deed fees, which is 4%, and the most of the developers, they are covering half of it, which means 2%, and the other 2% will be covered by your side. So let's talk about the next point, which is value-added taxes. These are in three ways: 1%, 8%, and 18%. So let me explain to you about these three. For the 1%, the property, or let's say the apartment, must be smaller than 150 meters squares. And if it's more than 150 meters squares, you have to pay 8%. And the 18% is for the commercial shops or the commercial properties. But we have an important point I would like to talk about it, especially for the investors or the buyers who are willing to buy in Turkey for the first time. So you can be exempted from the taxes, which are 1%, 8%, and 18% if it's your first time buying property in Turkey, but it has its own conditions. So let's talk about the important points. The first thing is you must be buying property for the first time, and you have to make the money transfer from your country to the developer's account. So let's talk about the capital gain tax. The capital gain tax is when you're going to sell your property, which is 22%. But there's another point also. If you're going to buy your property after 5 years from the buying date, you can be exempted from the gain tax as well. And the other point is real estate ownership tax, which is going to be paid annually, and it is between 0.01% to 0.06%. So let's talk about the expenses of the properties. First thing is lawyer's fee to transfer the title deed from the developer's name to your name, and it costs about $1,000. And the second point is the DASK insurance, which is for the earthquake insurance, and it will be between 40 to 110 Turkish liras. So let's talk about the second point, and which is translation fees. You must translate your documents to Turkish language, and it costs about 150 Turkish liras. And the last point is evaluation of your apartment. So the government will come to see the value of the property you are going to buy, if it's the real price or not. And this procedure will cost you about 2,000 Turkish liras. So here we are in the end of the video. I hope the video was useful, but if there is any questions or inquiries, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us in the numbers shown below, and hope to see you in the new videos.